So we're gonna start loading this tractor trailer up. You can see she's bone dry right now. We got that door just cracked because it's 90-something degrees outside. And yeah, we're gonna start filling it up with stuff like this that you don't need on a daily basis to make liquor, like a piece of metal, assorted screws, heater from the 1980s. Stay tuned. And that's everything. We thought we would fill half a trailer, and the double stacked blue drums. There's another 15 feet of stuff. Not a lot of weight, but a lot of stuff. Oh, hello. Hello. Alright. It's the last time we will see this stuff in Belmont. Alright, today's the big day. We're moving this tractor trailer right here from the still to the mill. Truck's here, and we're gonna move this monster. Just need to hook it up. So we pay for things like this with things like this. I mean, just kidding. We actually use real money, but I like to try. It's crazy. This first truck going really makes it feel real. All right, toys. All right, junk. All right, junk. See you in Mount Holly. No big deal. We pulled in the wrong entrance with a 48-foot trailer, and I forgot there's a power line that's too low right in the middle, so we're gonna have to go in the other entrance. So, about to stop some traffic and turn around. I'm glad to have good neighbors. Trying from the other side. Guess I got some work to do if I'm gonna run trucks in and out of here on a daily basis. I'm just glad this company is willing to work with me on the first trial run. See how well we can swing around in the yard here. Remember, there's gonna be a rick house down here. The rick house is longer than this tractor trailer and starts about there. Truck's gone. Trailer's in position. Now we can, oh wait, we already filled it up. Guess we're gonna buy another one. It's another thing I love about trying to do this is having everything with one hand. Let's see. Do you mind? All right, let's see what stayed right side up and what didn't. Oh hell.
Some buckets.
They were laying down already.
Oh.
This thing looks great. Nothing fell over. It's a Christmas miracle. This thing didn't even come off of here. That is crazy. Literally everything else. Good to go. Cool. Success. All right. We've done about all we can do up to this point. The truck is here. The trailer, sorry. We have filled that trailer to the brim with everything that we don't need. I mean, I say that. I've already thought of like 10 things I need that I stuffed in the back nooks and crannies of that trailer. But it's full and it's safely tucked away at the mill. so it can just sit here until it has a home to be in forever. Right now we're kind of playing the waiting game. We can't really do any demo without permits. We're waiting on historic approval before we start cutting holes in the floor and walls and things like that. So there's a lot of stuff coming up. We've turned in our historic paperwork, so we should hear back from that in about 30 to 60 days, and that should coincide with pulling permits and getting into it. So you're definitely going to want to subscribe to our channel. This restoration series is going to start getting real intense when we get into like tearing apart everything post 1946. Like, to see things that people haven't seen since the 40s is going to be awesome. To see the floors go back the way they were, to see this place transform is going to be epic. And then walk away.
Watch that hole. Oh my god, I thought she fell in the damn hole. No. I don't know where the hole that she pretended to fall into.
It was right next to me.
It was?
Yeah.
Remember, you're going to go right into the camera and be like, well, bam. You're good, you're good. Are you okay? Don't be scared. Don't do it if you're scared. Keep going down. A little more.
There you go.
There you go, you're good.
So we can, without permits or anything crazy, come back here and clear out all the grubbery, the nutsedge, the kudzu, the poison ivy, all that junk, and make this place look cool. There's so many gorgeous trees tucked away in this creek bank here, and then we have all these acres of woods. I've been talking to Lee about getting some goats and having them chew away at this too, and then we maybe celebrate by eating the goats. I don't know. We might have to keep the goats as pets. I mean, of course we're gonna name them and stuff, so maybe we can't eat the goats. But there's so much potential in this area, and I've already cleared out a bunch with some buddies, and my buddy cleared it out, and thank you so much. Thank you, Jay. It's already just like magical. We got a bobcat coming to kind of grade it into a nice level area, so you can be watching a concert or enjoying a festival under the shade of the shade tree and right up here on the creek bank. So another cool thing to look forward to. I can already see with what he's cleared, I can already see the bridge for Main Street, and it's going to be very clear and pretty when it's all done.